Hello and welcome to my new SEMA course. In this course we will create this workshop with the glue-laminated roof trusses. Yeah, we will create this roof trusses with a rounded side on the bottom. I'll show you how to quickly build up timber frame walls by reference line with area. We'll create such difficult cuttings like this one. Then I'll show you how to enter steel connectors. And also drillings. Whoops, where is it? It's on the other side. Here. Drillings that we need to connect these elements. And a lot more. I hope you enjoy the course.